Hello everyone, this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you, and in this video you will see the completed colours of my earlier drawing of Spawn, which I'll put on the screen right here for you now. So in this time-lapse video you will see all the various contrasts and colours and tones that I add to this picture to complete the finished product. Now if you are a fan of my artwork, you can check out more of my drawings on both my Instagram and DeviantArt profiles, and I will leave all the links within the descriptions below. If you have a favourite character of yours, whether it be from any franchise or comic book, whether it be Marvel or DC or Image Comics, and you'd like to see me draw them in my own particular style, then just let me know in the comments or contact me in any of my other social media platform. Is there another character from the Spawn mythos that you'd like to see me draw? Just let me know also. Other drawings coming very soon in this series include the likes of Superman, Rogue, Witchblade and Kenshiro from Fist and All Star. Those will be the next 4 drawings coming soon within this series, so look out for those in the future as well. Please also hit those like and subscribe and notification buttons and help me provide more content for you in the long run, and also provide you with more artwork as well throughout these videos. If you have any other suggestions or feedback as to the way I present these videos or the drawings or the way they're edited, then please also let me know within the comments. But that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my coloured drawing of Spawn.
Uneedbeatz.